Hey, welcome back to this new video where I will show you how I create my vintage botanical inspired spreads. So for this I am working on my red journal. I will talk about this journal and all my colored themed journals in another video, and I will also be working with some of my embroidery partner ephemera that you can find on my website. I will put the link in the description box, and also some ephemera and vintage botanical images such this one. I picked this one because of the color, because it is red. This is a hibiscus. So in this spread I will combine all these elements with a little bit of acrylics and watercolors and some line work. Let's get started. So what I do first is try to see which papers I can mix in my background in a nice way. So maybe this one, maybe this tracing paper colored with a little bit of watercolor and metallic ink. Oh, and maybe this one also. So let me glue bits of these papers on my pages. So what I will do now, after I have positioned the papers more or less in the places that I want, I will start to glue them using gel medium. Okay, so now that I have all the papers glued in my page, I will try to see where I can position the flower, but before that I will cut off all the excess paper around the flower. So there's my scissor. Ready. I decided to be more precise with my cutoff, but I leave this in the center here just to maintain all the image together. And what I am thinking is that this is a very small image for the whole spread, and even if I will do some drawing, I think it will be nice to have another flower this side. So I have another print of this image in a large size. So what I will do is just to cut off some pieces and transfer the image on this side using gel medium. So let me grab the other image. This is the other image that I have. It's bigger than this one, and what I will do, I will not use the whole image. I will just cut off some probably the main flower, maybe this one and some leaves, and I will arrange them in the page in a way that it feels interesting and somehow harmonious with the other one. And one interesting thing is that as I will be doing I will be transferring the image, it will appear in the page as reverse, see, like that. So let me cut off the flower. Okay, these are the pieces that I decided to use to transfer to the page. But before I do that, to glue and transfer these images, these pieces, what I want to do is to put some paint on the background to make things more homogeneous. So what I'm doing now is just to lay down some liquid watercolor. Also add a little bit of ink, warm gray. I think now is good. Let me just dry all the page, all the spread, so we can start to glue things and transfer the image. Now everything is dried, so let's start to glue the first image, this one. The first image is down on the paper, and now let's see the arrangement for the other flower. I will just dry a little bit. I think everything is dry. So pay attention when using this technique to wait for the gel medium to dry totally, completely, or otherwise you can also use a heat gun. That's what I did. So now to review the image, you have just to wet the paper and gently pull out the excess of paper. Very gentle. What I will do is to add some drawing. I will draw the same flower here and complete the spread with some of my line work. We are good. And then what I want to do is just to add some metallic detail here. And perhaps some splashes of gold. This one. What I will do now, just as a final touch, is to add the name of the flower and down here. done. I hope you have enjoyed to watch my process of creating this kind of spread, my vintage botanical spread, and that to explore some of the techniques that I have shown to you here, like collage, line work, image transfer, and that you give it a try and create a beautiful spread too. See you in the next video.